I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, everybody. Welcome. I'm Steve Kalayjian. NASDAQ, if it pushes down here on the NASDAQ, looked at by the NASDAQ between the 85 and 25 here. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian, and welcome to MyFundedFutures. How is everybody here? Unbelievable rally here. NASDAQ, S&Ps, 15-minute time frame's about to push up here. Let's see. NASDAQ, S&Ps, anywhere between the 21.5, 27.5. Gold sitting up another long here as well. Gold anywhere between the 77 and 85. How is everybody today? Welcome. I'm Steve Kalayjian, and welcome to MyFundedFutures Asia session, the Tokyo session. Hope everybody had a great day today. Wait till I show you what our trading room did today. I'm going to show you these patterns here. If you give me a second here. Okay, just give me a second here. I got to just clean my glasses here a little bit. For some reason, they're a little foggy here. Okay, so let me just show you this here really quickly here. Wanted to show you this. I'm going to bring up the bigger time frames here, if I can, the 30 and the 60-minute time frames. We had a monster day today. I mean, even everybody thought I was completely crazy calling practically 10 longs. We caught this really great short this morning right here. Okay, caught this really great short here. And then we had the new low. The MACDs could not confirm the lows on the 30 and 60 here. Another new low, another new low, another new low. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, 9, 10. And then this was a monster day today. Okay? 10 great longs off the MACDs non-confirming on the 60-minute and on the 30-minute time frame. How is everybody today? Dueling tree? I thought today was a great day. I really did. I thought today was a monster day. Monster, M-O-N-S-T-A. Monster day. And just wanted to say hello. Hey, Barbie, how are you? Okay. Anybody new here, please put a 1 so I can see if you're new here. Okay. Just see if this NASDAQ and S&Ps can get one more push up. Silver longs, let me see. I haven't seen silver. That's awesome, Dueling Tree. That's unbelievable. Great job today. Great job. Great job. Let me just get my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, get my coffee here. All right. How do I use the MACDs? Well, first of all, very nice to meet you. Okay. I use the MACDs in a way that with my combination methodologies, you can see how if I look at the MACDs, I look at all buy and sell divergences on them. You can see here the MACDs on the new lows all day long. They could not confirm the lows here. You can see even here, if you take the lowest point, if I draw that horizontal line there, you can see how the MACDs did not make new lows, period, right? You see that right there? All right, S&Ps, look to scale out of the longs, 29 up to 30. NASDAQ on the long, look to get out of longs here, 34, 35, or raise your stop or higher. All right, and there they go. Boom, NASDAQ. All right, there goes the gold, 3 great longs. There you go. Gold just ran about 4. What's up, everybody? Welcome. What am I looking at? I'm looking at the oversold condition on the 15-minute time frame right now. It's for me to call longs right there. Look at this right here. That's why I said to look. I would be looking to buy the NASDAQ. NASDAQ was beautiful. S&Ps just ran 4. NASDAQ, what did it get down to here on the 5-minute? right here. NASDAQ just ran, look at this, 35. What a long. What a long. Did anybody hear me say that? Yeah, Mike Ron killed the paper trade. What? Okay, I don't know what that means. Oof. Whoa, look at the gold. Look at the gold rally. 83, 82, up to 92. Wow. Nobody got the long there? Kaboom. Where's the bull? I just called a long trade on the gold. Okay? All right. All right, let's look at oil. Let's look at oil. Something must have just came out. Oil. Wow, poor oil. We had the perfect short here, 05 on oil. Oh, my God. What a short. What a short. What a short. This, Schultze does. Hey, you passed your MyFundedFutures eval? Go get them. If this NASDAQ gets back down to the 23, I would look to buy 93s to 23s. Hello, everybody. Remember, please sign up for the raffle tonight. Okay, we're going to be doing 10 giveaways. What a long on the gold. What a long. Now, Schultze, you see why gold was really great here? And everybody else for that matter. Look at the ADX rising. Beautiful. Look at the ADX rising. The 16, look at this. Beautiful. 1645. What a monster bull flag right here. And here's another monster bull flag. Monster. M-O-N-S-T-A. Monster. 83 here. Boom. Look at that. 10 points in 2 bars. There you go. When the ADX is rising on the 15 and 30-minute time frame, you can buy the pullback on the 5, right, Schultze? Right? You get that, Schultze? You understand? Wow. All right, let's see if we get one more push down on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ got down to 22 again, then ripped right back up to 36. How is everybody today? Huh? Beautiful longs, right? The NASDAQ was 93 to 23. Whoa, here goes the NASDAQ. Something just came out. Oil, what happened to oil here? Oil shot up. Look at this gold. Something just came out. Oil just spiked. Wow, look at that oil. Something just came out here. Should get another push up here. What just came out of nowhere? Oh my God, NASDAQ. All these oh my God. Go low, NASDAQ go 83 to 23 on the NASDAQ. This Nasdaq should get another push up off the 15. Where the hell this come? Out of nowhere, this happened. There you go. Nasdaq, let's just scale out here. Here, 15, 10 to 25 range. Here you go. 10 to 23. There you go. There you go. There you go. Right back up. Oh my God. What just came out? That's not the reason why the Nasdaq got cabooshed. You could trade gold. Nasdaq was a good long there. Anybody get out? I hope you guys kicked out the long there. It's got to be Papa Trump. Good job, Quitzel. I'm not acting like it's down 5%. What are you talking to me like that for? Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that. All right, that's it. He's got to go. I'm not dealing with that. I'm not dealing with that. If you can think after 44 years I'm dealing with that, you're crazy. Okay, all right, there goes the gold right back up. I'm doing okay. There goes the Nasdaq right back up. If he doesn't apologize, I'm going to ban him. Oh, really? I do have real results. That's it. $44 years. Traded 2 billion shares of my life. Oh, my God. Get rid of this guy. Gone. Goodbye. Go have a nice life. There goes the Nasdaq right back up.
I got 550.
You made 550? Yeah. Okay, you're done for the night. Good job. Good job. Nasdaq, S&P's, boom, right there. Beautiful. What a loser. Traded nearly 2 billion shares of my life, right? Trade real capital up to I have $300 million family office. Unbelievable. Trade real capital on a daily basis. Real results. And I got to deal with this clown after 44 years. You're crazy. Absolutely crazy. All right. Please, I'm not dealing with this. 44 years. So for 44 years, I've just sat here and did nothing. Gold was a great long, too. Look at the Nasdaq right back up. Look at that. Oh, my God. It was so warm here. It was unbelievable. S&Ps just ran 8. Gold just ran about what? 8, 7, 8. Unbelievable. That was a great one. No, I don't know. It's Did you get the long on the gold too? The gold on the long was great. I got to tell you, I never quoted so many longs in one day in my life. Everybody in my community was hysterical. Well, I'll tell you right now, if you look at the spiders from today on the close right here, there's probably an 85% chance that when we shouldn't touch these lows here. Corzio, good job. I got it. Something wrong with my. That's a great job. Oh, let's see here. Now it's quiet. What happened? Who made what? I made 5,500 Asia giveaways. Can't lie. I'm so proud of it. Keenan trades. That's what I made 5.5 in payouts from Asia giveaways. Giveaway. Can't lie. I'm so proud. Good job. He got kabooshed. Oh yeah. I'm at the stage in my life where I have very little tolerance for anything, right? Very little. I was told by my clearing firm I was the #1 day trader in the world with a 97.4% hit ratio for close to 4 years. 97 point. I was doing high frequency trading before high frequency trading ever came about. I'm not trying to give you my resume. I was a #1 bullet trader in the world. These are the things I did. Sometimes it was anywhere between 3 to 10% of the volume, 1 to 10% of the volume in some of the biggest cap names in the world. So, you know, when people get on like that, I shouldn't even just ignore it though. But I'm just so tired of the nonsense, you know. Okay, I'm serious. I'm just so tired of the nonsense in the world, you know. So, oh, look at the NASDAQ go. My God, 93 to 46. And what led me to take that long was when you got the push down, the MACDs did not confirm the lows on the 15. Okay, I will teach you to be great. Okay. Okay. No, but seriously, you know, it just, you know, when you're doing this 44 years and I deal with the biggest guys in the world, the best traders of the world who are friends of mine, I talk to them every day. You know, you see something like this, it just says, what am I doing? You know, like why? You know, why? You got a great firm here at MyFundedFutures, okay? Great payouts, great plans. They got me here trying to help you and teach you, all right? And then you get, you know, this, you know? Okay. I'm not talking about the guy. I'm just talking about myself, all right? So if you look here, all right, on the NASDAQ, you can see the push down here to the new low, right? So the MACD couldn't confirm the low. Plus on this, the 15-minute time frame reverse to buy, look at the yellow dots right here. The yellow dots represent the price within the algorithm. Okay. All right. And
are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
That's it. And then when you get this oversold condition, you're looking for the 15s to start turning up, you know? So that's that. You know? All right. Okay. So anyway, I've been very fortunate. I love this industry. I love this business. And I love everything about helping people. I just want people to succeed. Here's a gentleman to my left who's been with me now. I've known him for, oh my God, they're getting kabooshed here. All right. Something must have just come out here because there goes oil. And you know something, what'd you do, about 4,000 today, Doug?
Yeah.
About 4,000. Never made $4,000 in his entire life. All right. Never made and I'm so happy for him. Exactly, DL. Right? Wow, they just got kabooshed. Okay, something just came out here. Nasdaq's wild tonight. 86, boom, up to 48, 48 down. I still think they're a buy. If they get down to the I would go like 63 to 93 range. I would take a long on the Nasdaq. Gold, I'd look to buy this gold anywhere between the 72.5, 79.5 range. Nasdaq, you can actually raise it. You go like 65 to 95. Gold, these pullbacks. Let's just see if we get one more pullback here. Nasdaq just ran 15. Actually, you know what? Just go low. You want to get these fives to get lower oversold. Let's lower this thing here on Nasdaq. You can go like 58 to 88 range on the Nasdaq. Let's see if it gets down there. May not. Gold, Jennifer, just rallied 4. Okay, get in there. I'm doing good, Michael. Okay. I did some event on over the weekend, and I mean on Friday. What a great event, I have to say. What a great event. And met so many really nice people in Tampa. Really, really nice, to be honest with you. The boot camp, oh yeah, it was really great. Met a lot of great people. A lot of great people there. Jennifer, if you got that long, that's a nice one. Silver making me rage. Why? Let's see what silver's doing here. Silver's a short here. First of all, why would you want to buy silver knowing that the 10-year bond is where it is, right? This 10-year is going, this 10-year is getting killed. This 10-year can go to $475. Forget it. Well, I probably cancel the buy on the Nasdaq here. All right, here's the link, everybody, to sign up right there. Denny is posting the link to join. I'm trying, Iceman. I'm trying to get it all done. So I think gold's going to 40. I think gold can go to 10-year. If 10-year goes to 475.5, look out. Look out.
Oh, that's not this.
Okay. Well, it just got down to 95, but gold just rallied 5. Yeah, these are the 15-minute time frames turning up here now. You want to try to get the long on the Nasdaq. Oh, Nasdaq just ran 35. Yeah, no, just trying to. I think if the 10-year goes to 475.5, I think gold's going maybe to 4,000. Silver easily, in my opinion, silver can probably test the 60 handle. 62. 62. Wow, NASDAQ just ran, oh my God, 45. Okay, let's see here. Bitcoin, big number, 77,341. Wow, look at the NASDAQ go. Had the right idea to get down there, but all right. Kaboom! Kaboom. 95 was perfect. Yep. I was 88, being a little bit.
I got 435 on my MyFunded futures.
How much you buy?
435.
So you're up 1,000 for the night?
Yeah.
Wow, look at the 15. Look at the 15. Oh my God, up 100 hand. Oh, 100 hand. Oh, whoa.
Continue, man.
All right. Whoa, Nelly. Wow. You got to take a short here, 80 up to 20 on the NASDAQ. If it gets up there, I'll take a scalp short. Wow. S&P's 40. Oh, they just drop. I love when they do that. They always drop. Wow. Wow. What a hit. 88. Just dropped 20. You have to, when you make the new high, the MACDs couldn't confirm the highs here. Oh, my God. Wow. Whew. Unbelievable. 100 handle rally. One from here. 92. Wow, just dropped 28. Couldn't even speak that fast. 30 on the NASDAQ. Whenever they pop like that, like today, they shot up and then they dropped 50. News. Forget about news. It's crazy. Right? All right, I canceled the short up here. I don't think anybody was fast enough to get that. That was 30 handles. That was a nice one. Wow. Oh, my God. S&P's kabooshed. 40. Just dropped 6. This NASDAQ's pretty wild here. Who knows what the hell came out? It was a 15-minute time frame I told you about down here. I was just hoping for one more push down to 88. Jesus. Should have stayed in my range originally, 65 to 95. Trump speaking live. Uh-oh. Hey, Matt, how you doing? No, you just gotta, if you place your stops in place, NASDAQ just dropped 40, gold just got kabooshed. Look at that. I knew to short that. When you're making new highs here, these MACDs didn't confirm. So, you see gold just dropped here. Okay. Gold should be a buy here between the 70 and a half and 78 and a half range. S&P's just dropped 8. NASDAQ just dropped, 50. There goes the NASDAQ. Just dropped 50. When you're making new highs like that, the MACDs cannot confirm the highs right here on the 5-minute. Nice long off the 15. You're done, Dougie.
Yeah, I'm done.
Right? Unless you rotate your accounts. No, you're done.
I will look my other.
I could go take Henny for a walk. No, I'm only kidding. Oh my God. No, I'm serious. Good job today. Good job, Dougie.
I really need to move in your place.
What?
I really need to move in your place. I'm getting, if I can get your calls.
Well, you got to learn. You just got to learn to listen a little bit more carefully. That's all. That's once you listen, everything will fall into place.
That's why I listen to you.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Let's see if this gold can get one more push up here on the gold. Boy, Henry's going to town. Do I like the NASDAQ short? Not here. What are you, crazy? No. I think these 15s are going to turn up more. I like the NASDAQ when it was up here against the negative MACDs here, right? S&P's just dropped 9. NASDAQ just dropped 50, 55 to be exact, off the highs. Probably going to get one more push up here. Very quiet. What is the what? What is the confirmation of your lines when they intersect? I don't understand the question. I'm talking about the price pushing up and the MACD is non-confirming on the 5-minute time frame. All right, let's see if this NASDAQ can get one more push down here. There goes the NASDAQ right back up. Good job tonight, Dougie. Very proud of you. Very good. Very, very, very proud of you. Let's see if this gold can get a push up to 77 to 79. NASDAQ just ran 20. 31 right here on the NASDAQ. What is the MACD? It's a convergence divergence. It's 2 moving averages. You can look it up on anywhere. You can read it. Basically, there's a MACD and a MACDV. This is a standard MACD, 1226.9. Okay. Good job, Jennifer. Get in there. Damn, NASDAQ just ran 30. All right. Might be a short up there now. Let's see here. I will quit trading. It's very tough. Well, baby Sonoya, I wouldn't do that. But you can do what you want. But if you want help, before you do that, you should call me and let me see if I can help you. 914-500-7484. I don't like when people want it. There goes, I would be scaling out of gold here, 78 to 80 range. I don't like when people give up. That's Henny drinking. There goes the gold, 79. Good job, Jennifer. Tommy, Good job, Tommy. Okay. Raphael, how'd you do tonight, Raphael? Raphael, how'd you do before you go? Henry's drinking the Atlantic Ocean. Wow. 31 to 68 on a NASDAQ. Damn it. I knew that. Come on, Steven. You knew that was going to happen. With the 15s turning up. Yes, my number is 914-500-7484. On a pattern trade, so there's two types of trading. There's pattern trading and scalp trading, okay? So let's just say here, for example, if you want to scalp it 71, let's just watch. Again, just dropped 16. So there's two types of trading, pattern trading and scalp trading. So you call a range on both, and then you have to decide how many contracts you want to buy or sell, okay, into that range right there. Right? If you want to decide that you want to trade 10 micros, 8 micros, 16 micros, I like scaling in. I don't like doing what's called single lot entries, meaning just selling NASDAQ at 64 short and hoping for the best. I don't like doing that. Your best advice for struggling hard? Well, you got to give me a call. I'll help you. Okay, you got nothing to lose, right? I'll help you. That's why I give out my phone number. Not to make friends, but to help you, right? Well, I've become friends with a lot of people. Let me put it that way. NASDAQ just ran 40. Damn it. You never give up. Your failures are the ones that's going to make you tougher, right? If you would have seen what I had to go through in my life to get to where I am now, you would think I should be committed to Bellevue. Okay, seriously. There was some pullback on the 15. Now the 60-minute time frame is about to reverse the buy on the NASDAQ. We're going higher. If this 60-minute reverses the buy, you look to buy the next pullback on the 5 and the next pullback on the 15. And you can see it here on the S&P futures, right? When we were getting the 60 reverses to buy. So the strategy is once you have the 60-minute reversing to buy with the MACD below the pivot line, and then it correlates with the 30 and 60, you buy the first pullback on the 15. That's why that NASDAQ and S&P were all longs down there. So here, this is a pattern. The 60-minute time frame reverses the buy. It correlates with the 30 and the 15. The strategy is you buy the first pullback on the 5, then the second pullback on the 15. NASDAQ gets up to 71 to like probably 01. I would take a small scalp short if it gets up there. Small. Okay. Okay. So again, here's a pattern. The 15 got oversold into a positive MACD. First pullback on the 15 after the 60 reversed the buy. That's why you got the big pop here on the S&P. Okay. On the 15 right here. When it got down to what? 23, 24. All right. 4 years. You know why you guys, okay, and I'm not just saying this though, okay? You guys are trading without, you guys are trading okay, without any knowledge. You guys are just buying accounts. You don't know what you're doing. Look at Raphael. Raphael came here last week, had 4 consecutive days, made, 20-something thousand. Raphael was just like you, writing the same type of posts, right? You guys, NASDAQ just dropped 20 just now. So what I'm saying is, you guys can give up all you want if that's what you really, if your inner, is your way. But thank you, Tyler. But all right. NASDAQ, I would cancel the short at 71, but you never give up. The reason why you feel that way is you don't have a methodology. You don't know what you're looking at. You never were trained properly, and you just go buy an account because it's cheap. Big deal, right? Go buy? No, not yet. NASDAQ just dropped 20 up there. But Mrs. Long, Mr. Short. Oh, yeah. 31 to 70. Look at this on the NASDAQ. And then you want to follow guides on the internet that sit there and they trade one thing. They don't teach you about correlation studies. All right? You guys just don't know what you're doing, and I don't say that. If you trade your own money, anybody out there can get, wow, NASDAQ just dropped 30, 40 up, 30 down. You guys should be calling me. I'm willing to help you. Oh my God, look at this NASDAQ. Thank you. Thank you very much. Look at this, 40 up, 40 down on the NASDAQ. Jesus. Who's that? All right, you're done for the night?
Yeah.
You're done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hello? Practice on sim. Let's go. Keep practicing.
Yeah.
You don't give up. You don't stop. Okay? Enough is enough. I agree. But, I want to see people at least try. Nobody reaches I get a lot of people who blow up my phone, and I don't hear from them ever again. And I do follow-ups with people. People think I'm crazy. If you've been doing that, at least give me a shot to try to help you. What do you got to lose? Really? What do you got to lose? Nothing. Zero. Right? Nothing. Zero. That's why I give out my phone number to try to help people. But like they say, you can't lead a horse to water. Boom. Look at this NASDAQ. 71, I had to short on that bear flag. Look at that. Text me, then I'll call you. You're not bothering me if I'm telling you to text me, you text me. I call everybody back. I have zero life. Let me tell you something. I'd rather be here. I went to a Journey concert out over here. I can't even tell you. I thank God I'm okay. But you know what? I'm happier being in my room here. Really. This is my sanctuary, really. All I need is a shower, a bed, a lazy boy, and a 70-inch screen TV. I'll be the happiest guy in the world. All right, gold here. If gold can get down to the 65.5, 73.5, I'll be buying them. Look at the NASDAQ. 71. I tried to short him up there, right? I said the short. Look at him get cabooshed. Oh, my God. 60, 40 up, 60 down. There you go. NASDAQ, Pullback on gold, yes, it's a long setting up. Now, don't get so fooled here. You got a 30-minute bull flag setting up on the NASDAQ. When am I traveling back to Tampa? Probably never. It's 4 hours. What are you, crazy? Look at the gold right back up. There you go. NASDAQ, just look at this, 15. I don't drink beer. I don't like beer. The only time I drink beer is when it's 103 degrees here in Florida. Maybe I'll have one ice cold beer with a ice, like a frosted mug, like a Coors Light. That's the only time I'll have one beer. One. I don't even like the taste of the beer. Flying cars. Whatever you're on, send me a case, please. All right. What adjustments? I decided to build a technology and really study divergences more. That's what I did. Spent nearly 10 years. 10 years of my life doing this. There's no high-speed rail from here, from Jupiter to Tampa. It's flat land, flat. Last Thursday, do you remember what I said? The 15 and 30-minute time frame is going to roll over. And by the time I woke up the next morning, the NASDAQ was down 350 points off that. No wine. Wine puts me to sleep. No, I don't trade options. No. Well, let me rephrase that. The firm I'm with, they put on monster spreads and strangles, and I help them with that. Bull flag? Where's the bull flag? And what? See if this NASDAQ can get one more push down. Why HIV stock up 20? I have no idea. Right now, more equities. Until we get the new system in, then I'll be trading the big contracts on the S&P. Where? From where to where? From Palm Beach to Jupiter? I mean Palm Beach to Tampa? I didn't give a buy area yet. I'm still waiting on the NASDAQ. I love Jupiter here. My friends tell me St. Pete's just is beautiful. I don't know. I gotta check. All right, if you bought the gold down there, this gold, I'd be scaling out between 75 and 80. I have no idea. Anybody new here today? Anybody new? I saw Michael Jordan driving a few weeks ago in his convertible. You got Michael Jordan here. You got Rory, the guy who won the Masters. I can't even think of his name now. Rory, whatever. Rory McIlroy, you got Wayne Gretzky, you got Tiger Woods. They're all here. They're all here. You got Eric and Donald Trump. You got Lara Trump. I was talking to Lara Trump about 2 months ago. I talked to Eric Trump. Nice guy. I mean, Secret Service up the yin yang around him. But, you know, Rory McIlroy, yeah, he's around here. If it's your first day, Luke Linsky, and anybody want to text me, you can just text me your phone name and number, your phone name and email. He used to do 100? Really? That's crazy. You could tell anybody. Also, I give out a 5-day free trial, and it's issued every Monday. If you like one, or if you want to just need my help with anything, you can just text me your phone name and email to 914-500-7484. Now, of course, everything died. Okay. I am not sure if we're going to be streaming Monday. I think it's right now 100% probably no for Memorial Day. And I want everybody to be safe and have a wonderful 3-day weekend. That should be fun. So if you look at the 30-minute time frame here, okay, if you look at the 30-minute time frame on the NASDAQ, right, the 30 reverse to buy, wait till these 30s get oversold, then you're going to go like this with the positive MACD. Like to see it get a little bit more oversold here. You're at a 58 right now, and then you're going to go boink like that. Watch. Okay, NASDAQ just went from 14 up to 38. I was hoping for one more push down here to the 5 here. Where's the 1 minute? Here we go. Let's drop. Anybody trade the 1 minute time frame? Hunter Biden is not here. Wow, really? Luke, you should give me a call, Luke, if I can help you in any way, Luke. Yeah, the decimals, yep, kind of led the way, to be honest with you. Oh, my eyes are burning. See if this NASDAQ can get one more push down to like 15. You're not going to get it. Today it's 7,400? I don't think so. Not with the 60-minute time frame bullish. I don't trade any time frame, means nothing. Okay. Oh, Luke, that's you in Chicago? Okay. How are you, brother? Okay, how are you? Okay, ABT. Okay, no problem. Just text me. I'm always bearish. Great job, Luke. Were you able to listen to me on the free were you able to listen to me? This gold gets one more push down to the 64.5, 71.5. Were you able to listen to me on the 5-day free trial, Luke? Very quiet. All right. Let's see if we got one more push down. Simple. No, we are in. Oh, here we go. All right. There we go. If this NASDAQ gets down to the 70 level to 10, you go 70 to 10 or you go 75 to 15 area. Yeah, they should probably push down to 10. Gold pushing down. Here we go. So you get one more push. What a short up there at 71. NASDAQ, you can, like I said, you can probably go 75 to 15. Just trade it right back. Boom. Here we go. See if you get a sell 15 up to 20, 25. Gold right back up. S&Ps. Well, I don't know about gold going to 45.65 with the 15 and 30-minute time frame got bull flags. I don't know if that's silver caboose. Of course, NASDAQ's waiting for Nvidia. I agree. Enough is enough for Papa Trump with these posts, man. Boom. Yep, there you go. Let's get the flush. Well, down 90 off the highs here. Yep. NASDAQ down 8. Let's see if you get one more push up above even 100. Silver's the buy. I don't even look at silver. Nobody looks at silver anymore. Doesn't even do the volume like it should be. Silver doesn't do the volume. All right, what time is it? In 5 minutes, that 30-minute bull flag should kick in. That 30-minute. Here we go. NASDAQ, look to sell even up to 15 or 10 if it gets up there. Nobody trades silver no more. Everybody who trades silver, ever since they killed silver, I got more people trading oil now. I literally have more people trading oil. The exchange ruined it. NASDAQ, yeah. Oil, gold, S&Ps, and NASDAQ. That's all you need. Oh my God. Oof. Who you think that you don't think they say they sold oil at 105? Are you crazy? They killed my silver, Tina. You should get a push I don't care what these analysts say. I don't care what these analysts say at all. Come on. Oof. Gold setting up a really nice pattern on the 30-minute time frame. Here we go. Let's see if we get one more push up here. The Dow doesn't do any more volume. No, sir. The Dow doesn't do much. I think I traded the Dow futures like maybe a handful of times, to be bluntly honest with you. All right. Huh? Now you got to buy them here. 40 to 6, probably anywhere between the 20 and 60 range. NASDAQ, S&Ps, I would look to buy them anywhere from the 13 to 20 range. NASDAQ, good job on the gold. Kaboosh, something must have just came out. Kaboosh, pop it out. There you go, right back up on the NASDAQ. There goes the gold, right? Good job on the gold. Good job, Luke. I'd be scaling out of gold above 67, 68, NASDAQ 20, S&Ps 22, NASDAQ above 70. There you go, Dougie. See that? You long? No, practice. Yeah. It's the China opening. I didn't even know the symbol on the Nikkei on this. I don't know the symbol on it. S&P just rallied 4. NASDAQ just rallied 20. You get the long, Mike?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
You're not trading?
I am.
You trading gold?
Yes.
I hope a lot of you signed up for the raffle tonight. There goes the gold. Right back. Look at the 15-minute. Look at the 30-minute bull flag on gold. Oh my God. Wow, this gold's gonna go. Japan official: higher U.S. yields could lead to a falling yen. What? I don't know how that's going to happen. I'm even amazed that gold's above 4,500 with a 10-year at 460. I just don't understand it. There goes the gold, Luke. There goes the gold. Gold up 7. So if you look at gold, you can see gold here on the 15 and 30-minute time frame. Here's the 15, and look at the 30. This 30 is getting oversold here. Let's see what Google did. Wow, Google should have went home on this. What do you think, Nvidia? Okay, under over Nvidia, 235, under over 240, or under 210. What do you think, Nvidia? Let's play the under over game. Who thinks Nvidia is going to go over 235? Anybody? That's true. Over? You think over 235? Who thinks over 240? Double over. Oh my God. Literal. Oh. Who thinks over 240? Anybody? S&P's right back up. NASDAQ right back up. There you go. Wow. You're probably the only one in the country that thinks that. heard 185. Is that right? Steven, what price was the SpaceX? Anybody know?
Says 150. 150.
150?
SPCX.
June 11th, I think, right? $1,000 by the end? No. Come on. You think, good job, Arton. Get in there. There goes the NASDAQ. There goes gold, Leo. Luke, I mean. (914-500-7484). Oh, God. S&P just rallied 6. NASDAQ just ran about 30. There you go. Gold just ran about 8, 9. Thanks, SK. I catch the short. Catch the short on what? Good job, Leo. Leo is still going to go higher with the 15s, but the 30s are going to turn up here. Oh, yeah. We have a little bit of a triple Kabuski here, so we want to see what the... Get one more push up here. Wow, Rick. Ryan, people think you would belong in a nut house. Okay. Just wait till we get the single stock futures. It's going to be nuts. I can't wait, SK. It's going to... Well, I don't understand what the difference between single stock futures and options are going to be like. I just don't understand. Like, it's another product, right? Like, what is the difference here, right? Can anybody help me with that? Can anybody explain the difference? I don't know what the difference is. S&P just ran 7. NASDAQ, if the NASDAQ gets up to 95 to 25, I would take a scalp short. S&P is 26 up to 31. Well, that's true. There's no time decay. That I already know. Gamma? Yeah, okay. I can see. I agree. Exactly. Just another data point. Ugh. Nasdaq just dropped 15. Wow, Nasdaq just dropped 20. That's a bear flag right there. See that bear flag? What was the high here? 97. Just dropped. We'll drop 20 just now. Here we go. Anybody get that short on that bear flag right here? Nasdaq S&P. One more push down, Anthony, for this up the long. Correct. Wow. Anybody got that short right here? Nice little short here on the bear flag. Just dropped 30. What a short. Remember the push up into the negative MACDs here. The 15s and 30s are pushing down. Wow, 40 points. Wow. Oh, my God. NASDAQ, S&Ps just dropped 4. Wow. You got that? Okay. You're short from 77. I said a higher, 95. But I would be covering here if you're short. Good job, Dr. Arg. Good job. Good job. Now, that's I would have covered the shorts there. Oh, wow. Well, best of luck. Congratulations. NASDAQ just dropped 35. Good job, Mohammed. Beautiful bear flag right there. Gold, nothing. Gold, I said I'd buy it, but the 15s and 30s, I think there's gold. If you get one more push down, it's a gift. I don't know why you say you dislike the Asia session. I think the Asia session gives you a lot of good opportunities. NASDAQ just here on this bear flag just dropped. Look at this, 50 points right here in 9 minutes. I don't know. Four-hour NASDAQ's bearish, Stephen, but the 30-minute time frame still bullish, and the 30-minute time frame looks like it wants to get another push up. Come on, Tina, get in there. Oil is pumping. Let's see what oil is doing. This oil is not even trading much. What do you mean I can't trade outside of Asia? During New York, it makes no sense to me. Hey, congratulations, having a baby boy. God bless. Nope, I'm not going near it. NASDAQ, buy divergence on the 15, on the 30. NASDAQ, I'd be buying this NASDAQ anywhere between the 20 to 30, 20 to 15 to 45 range if it gets there. What a bear flag on the NASDAQ and S&Ps. Wow. And there goes oil. Oil gets to 103, 103, 670. I look to short it. NASDAQ, NASDAQ just dropped 60 on that bear flag at 95. What a short if you were able to get that. S&Ps went from 26 to 19. What a short. What a bear flag. Right here. This guy, whoever 97, he jumped. What a bear flag. Well, if they have no idea how to do it, they should be asking questions, right? If you're new, what's the difference if you're trading the Asia session or the New York session? That's what I want to know, right? I would probably cover shorts here. Stephen, honestly, to new viewers, what do you think has helped you learn the Asia sessions? To me, I don't look at it like that. I used to trade the European session. I used to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning and trade the London session. The winners are announced that we're doing winners at 9:50. And I'm picking 10 people. Okay? So I don't understand the question. Is gold a buy? Yeah, I would buy this gold here anywhere from 55 to 62. So what's the difference between the Asia session and night session? Now, the Asia session has been picking up lately on the index futures. S&Ps, you can look to buy 12 to 18 here. Let's see if you get one more push up. The 30s are getting oversold here. Let's see if the 30s can get, you can actually go 11 to 18 here. But, the thing is, you got to say to yourself, right, this is a 70 handle drop here on the bear flag on the NASDAQ. This is remarkable. Just remarkable. No, New York sessions. Are you crazy? New York session moves like 10 times faster then the European, then the look at this NASDAQ. Again, look, you can go long here. What did I say? 15. You can go down to 05. 05 here to 15. This should get one more bounce here. What a bear flag. Oh my God. Something must have just came out. Oil must be exploding here. Boom. See if we get this NASDAQ to get one more push up here. Gold should get one more push up. S&P should get one more push up. I don't know where this came from. NASDAQ just dropped 90 off the highs. Anthony, you gotta go a little wider, Anthony. Every 10, right? Let's see if you can get out of this NASDAQ anywhere from the gold just dropped, oil. S&Ps, if they get up to the NASDAQ, up to the 20 to 35 range. So I probably would go like maybe 30. You don't have to just do 35. You go maybe 30, you go 20, you go 10, you go even. And your stop would be 85. Right, Anthony? What a short that would. Look at this oil. Gold, I'd be scaling out the gold above 62. S&Ps 15 up to 18. You still should get one more put. These 15s and 30s are going to turn up here, Anthony, right? Maybe you buy like maybe you buy one or two at like 30, then 20, then 10, then even, right? Your stop would be 85, right? You got to go wide. Maybe go 2, 2, 4, 4, something like that, right? This oil just dropped. The windows are in 20 minutes. Silver 74 tonight? Could. What a bear flag on the NASDAQ. Oh my God almighty. That 95 short on this bear flag. She got one more. These 15s and 30s are getting way over. What are these 30s? Wow. These 30s should get a really big push up here. These 30s. Just so NASDAQ 15 covered. Good job. Okay, James. No, I don't trade silver anymore. I'm done. Ever since what they did, I took it away. Kelly, how are you, Kelly? You're $80 from the 10 bar. 10. Anthony, see what I'm saying, Anthony? What happened? They just ruined it with the margin. Let's see if this NASDAQ can get one more push up here. Just got up to 15, 18, 20. Let's just see if we get one more push here on the 1 minute. Got up to here. What was this one? 19. The go long hurt you? How? The go long was a good long. Good job, Lucas. You're going to hold silver overnight? Okay. I would take the $3,000, but you could do what you want. There goes Anthony. You see, Anthony, your stop should have been 85 on the NASDAQ. Okay. Good job. I really don't have any emotions, to be honest with you. There goes Anthony. You would never have gotten stopped out on this. You know that, right?
No emotion. No emotion.
What?
No emotion.
No emotion? No. You've been with me one day. Did that show any emotion today? The only time I got emotion was I missed the oil short on the highs. I punched the desk. All right? I went into short oil at 105. And then I punched the desk. What a bear flag. Oh my God, on the net. This is the best bear flag I've seen. Look at this. And I said it's a triple Kabuski. What does that mean? Not stopped out? What do you mean you realize? I think I can't take it. I don't know. Do I ever rage quit? What's rage quit? Where? Where did you get short? This one? This short here? After the news? Look at the NASDAQ, Anthony. No. Oh, no. You got to get back in there. This was a beautiful. I called the bear flag on this. I said 26 on the on the S&P, 95 on the NASDAQ. Whether we got the short or not, I just can't answer that. 22 is a good out there, though. Now look at these 30-minute time frames. Oof. When they turn up, you may get one more push down first, though. So if the NASDAQ gets down to the 30 to 90 range, I would probably look to buy it again. Or you can go 50 to 90. Go every 10. Wow, Lucas, go get them. Let me look at silver for Lucas here on the 30 and 60-minute time frame here. Look at silver on the bigger time frames for Lucas. If it's like gold, it's going to... Oh, wow. Lucas, be careful. These 30s are getting way oversold here. Then the 10-year must have sold off for that. No. The 10-year is going to probably 06. All right. I still think the 30-minute time frames are going to give support here on the gold. I think if you could buy it between 52 and 59, I would take the long. I mean, here, look at the 60-minute bullish. You're not going to get the 60 to reverse until 45.31. That's the daily. Look at the 30-minute. Deeply oversold here. That's what's keeping it afloat. All right, there goes the S&Ps, NASDAQ. You get one more push up. There goes the gold. It's rallied about 3-4. If your silver has got the identical, this is some bull flag on the 30-minute time frame on gold and silver. The 1 hour chart, I disagree with you. I don't know where that looks bearish to you on silver. That's not bearish to me. I think this is bullish. Positive MACD, ADX off, no big selling pressure. Unless the algorithm reverses the sell on the 60, I would not want to be short silver. Thank you. What's going on? This is none of your business. I didn't ask you, and it's not funny at cheesy pepperoni. What the hell's going on? Silver's not going to crack 100 unless they cut interest rates. And they're not cutting interest rates. I don't see it. There goes the gold right back up. There goes the gold. Wow. There goes silver. There goes the gold. He could raise interest rates, but Papa Trump will probably strangle him. Chase Miles Golf, if you're new, please text me. I'll talk to you after the close. 914-500-7484. Look at gold. Look at the S&Ps. There goes the NASDAQ. There you go. There you go off the 15. NASDAQ, S&Ps, you never got stopped out. Okay, Anthony, get in there. Where's the bull? Look at gold. Gold just rallied 9. Look at silver. Silver just ran 50 cents. There you go. There you go. Of course I traded Forex. Kaboosh. That's not a kaboosh. That's a kaboom. Who is this person? ES Pack. Come on. That's a kaboom. He got it wrong. Look at the NASDAQ, Anthony. I said the 15 and 30-minute time frame. Are you long?
Yes, sir.
Get in there. Doug, are you long?
I already got 200 only.
They're up 200 in the sim or real?
Oh, and I get a new one.
Look at Dougie. Get in there, Dougie. I love it. Dougie's never going home. Forget it.
I only trade micro.
It's all right. Go, NASDAQ. Mikey Jacques, I would raise your stops. That's it. Oh, my gosh. Look at that long. Well, get down here now. I'm Aquarian. Yes, I'm an Aquarius. Of course, the big ones. Wow. Why are you long at 29.012? I said I would be buying this or whatever. I'm not going to get into it.
How much did you make, Michael? That's a good.
I hope you're out. Bear trader, take a picture. That's a Picasso. Take a picture, frame it. Put it in your hallway. It's a Picasso. Right, Dougie?
Yeah.
Nobody got that long. Gold, it kaboomed. S&Ps and NASDAQ kaboomed. Oh, my God. Well, I think that was it for the day.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow, 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 wow. Gold, S&Ps, silver, NASDAQ. What a long. Oh, my God. Falco, you should text me 914. How much? 914-500-7484. Look at gold. Look at gold. Gold just rallied 13. S&Ps just rallied 10. NASDAQ just kaboomed. Okay? Oh, my God. I don't trade at night. I'm too tired. I trade during the day. I'm exhausted. You want me to keep trading at night? I'll be in the hospital. And plus, my guys execute for me. So, what is the meaning of a bear flag? Too short? Not too short? Oh, my God. A bear flag is a pattern that you're looking that it's going to go down, not up. Okay. Can anybody explain I have a problem with my throat right now, and I'm not even joking around, my jaw. Can somebody explain a bear flag? I'm not even joking around. Maybe look it up in Investopedia. Okay. I'm trying to be people don't come here for value. They come here for free giveaways. It's a shame. Okay. Good job, Brian. Good job, Schultze. This is a bull flag. You want a bear flag? Let me see a bear flag. This is a bear flag, if I can show you one here. That's a bull flag. Another bull. There's another bull flag. Let's find bear flag. This is a bear flag right here. Bear flag here on silver. Let's see if I can find one on gold or S&Ps. This is a bear flag. Another could be a bear flag right here. 23. Show you a nice bear flag. It has to be a beautiful bull flag right here. Another bull flag. Another bull flag. This could be deemed a bear flag right here, but it's only 2 bars. You need more than 3. Here's a good bear flag right here. This is a great bear flag. Here's another good bear flag. Beautiful bear flag. Consolidation bear flag, right? Thank you. Thank you. I know, fading time. It's driving me crazy. It's absolutely driving me crazy to do this. And people, look at the gold. Gold just ran 15. Look at the gold. NASDAQ just rallied. NASDAQ just rallied 70. S&Ps just ran 12. I told you the 15s and 30s. And I told you if you were short silver, be careful. I'd be covering the short and going long. What'd you give back on the silver of the $4,000? Probably more than 2, right? I'm just trying to help you. Those 30-minute time frames are powerful, right? Man. All right, 6 minutes to go here. Who was short the silver? I hope obviously I don't give investment advice, but I'm just trying to tell you that I thought the 30-minute time frames, everything kicked in, gold, silver, NASDAQ, S&Ps at the same time, right? What a long. Oh, what the hell is CLSK? What am I looking at this for? This could be deemed a bear flag right here, but it depends on a trade. It could be anywhere from, if the pattern, what happened? Rocky Mountain, you made 2,000 on that silver. Good job. Anywhere from 1 minute to 40 minutes. How long am I trading a day? From 8:30 to 4, nonstop. Got it. Data center stock. Rocky Mountain Trades, how are you? Thank you, Tina. Wow, good job. nonstop. Come on, Tina. Come on down from Jersey. Get the hell out of there. All right. All right. We got the raffle. Jennifer, you ready, Jennifer? 3 minutes. Jennifer. Fading time. Anybody new here? You should be. Anybody's having trouble. Anybody wants a 5-day free trial. Anybody that wants to talk to me, just text me. I'll always call you back. Okay. And if you want a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. There's the bear flag on the NASDAQ right here. 79 just got kaboosh 28. Yeah, I should have shorted it. All right. Okay. Next. All right. Good luck, everybody. Oh, wow. Damn it, Steven. Damn it. 30 handles down. All right. Thank you, David. Thank you. David, can you please text me David-U5U 914-500-7484, please? David, can you please text me? What should you expect overnight? I think the 30 should turn up, and if the NASDAQ takes out 29,165, which I don't know if it's going to happen, then we really should go up. Oh, 30K before 20? Absolutely.
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Oh.
You make a good trade like that. Make only into one that. Earlier I was able to make.
All right, gold dropped on the bear flag. All right, 950. All right, everybody, get ready for the raffle. We have exactly, I believe we have, Denny just texted me here. We have, where's Denny? 540. All right. Let's go. Are you guys ready? Number 17. Number 17. I can't even say this one. She won again before. Leza Asarati. Oh. Leza Asarati. Oh, I think I'm saying it right. Leza Asarati. Jennifer. Leza Asarati. Is she here? I think there could be a rate hike. Oh, yeah. Hey, congratulations, Lisa. Number 17. Let's go low number. Let's go number 57. Number 57, please. Rocky Mountain Trades. Congratulations, Baba. Okay. All right. Rocky Mountain Trades. Gold just got caboosed $7. Rocky Mountain, he should be here. All right. Number 137. 137. 137 is that Mike Trades, MKE Trader, MKE Trader, MKE Trader, MKE Trader. That's number 3. Number 245. Number 245. Wow, Nasdaq just number 245 is NQVWAP at NQVWAP. NQVWAP. Congratulations. Again, if you're new and anybody would like a 5-day free trial, or just text me, you can call me at 914 or text me your full name and email, 914-500-7484. Nice bear flags on gold, S&P, and NASDAQ just now. MKE Traders, what would I say? NQVWAP, are you here? NQVWAP. Going once. Nope, hold on. Jennifer's typing. He's here. Congratulations. All right. Number 285. Number 285. Belgium 1101. Belgium 1101. Belgium 1101. Wow, what bear flag. NASDAQ just dropped 30. S&P just dropped 4. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed on that bear flag. Wow. Is he here? Belgium 1101. He's here. That's 4. That's 5, right? Number 350. Number 350, please. I can't even say this. ABTHADONBEATZ. How do you say that? I don't even know how to say that. ABTHADONBEATZ. Abdon Betts is here. Number 6. Thank God. Number 400. Number 400. Number 400. Dare dash row 6K. Dare dash row RO 6K. Dare DARE dash RO 6K. Are you here? I don't think he's here. So I give another minute. Dare, what time is it? We have Dare DARE dash row 6K. Are you here? He's here? Okay. Number 7. Right? Number, I would say 465. 465. 465. AITM Luke. LOUK. AITM Luke. AITM LOUK. Adam Luke. Am I saying it right? NASDAQ just dropped 40. He's here. That's 8. Number, let's see here. Number 540. 540. 540. 540 is the last one. Kobe Counts. Kobe Counts, KOBICOUNTZ. Am I saying that right? Kobe Counts. Wow, look at the NASDAQ drop on that bear flag. Just dropped 40. Kobe Counts, Jennifer? No? Kobe Counts? Is he here? He's here? No. Is he here, Denny? He's here. Congratulations. That's 9. Number, I would say what's my favorite song? Number 27. Number 27. Sorry, Denny. Got to go back all the way down. Is Maranja Rahama VR8UM. MIJANURR Rahman -VR8UM. Oh my God, my brain hurts. All right. I want to thank everybody here. NASDAQ just got caboosed 40. S&Ps just dropped 6. Is he here, Jennifer? Is he here? Maranja Ram? He's not here? Not yet? Oh boy. Okay, we'll give it another 30 seconds. All right. Not here. Okay. Nope, nothing. Next, number 95. Number 95. Sorry, we waited. It's getting late. Number 95 is Chaya, CHAI_Q. Chaya Q. Wow, what a cabooshin. Chaya Q. Am I saying that right? Chaya, CHAI_Q. Chaya Q. Are you here? Oh boy, not yet. Okay. I guess we're going to have to pass on that one. Not yet. Okay. Wow, look at the S&Ps drop 10. NASDAQ just go, what a bear flag. Wow. Oh, he's here? Oh, person's here? All right. Congratulations. All right. I want to thank everybody for being here tonight. I want to thank Jennifer, Aaron. I want to thank all of you. Denny, of course, very special. Also, if this Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30, I'll be on MyFundedFutures TV. Also, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. If any of you would like a 5-day free trial, again, you can please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. All right. Again, if you have any problems or anything I can help you with, I'm more than happy to speak to you at any given time. I always return every text and every phone call. With that being said, I want to say thank you, all of you. I'll see you tomorrow night. God bless you. God bless our troops. And most of all, God bless the United States of America. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, Denny.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.